Welcome to today's Business Report. I'm Denise Williams, here to bring you the stories shaping the financial world and guiding your journey to smarter business decisions. Let's dive into the top headlines. The government of Jamaica has introduced a new rule requiring all emergency government contracts to be made public on its online procurement platform, which is the Government of Jamaica Electronic Procurement System, GoJEP. Under the new rule, ministries and agencies must publish emergency contract award notices within 1 month of issuing a contract. The notices must include the name of the contractor, the contract value, the reason for the emergency award, and the goods or services being procured. The Ministry of Finance says while emergency require swift decisions, the public still has a right to know how the funds are being spent. Cygnus Real Estate Finance Limited officially broke ground on its 55-acre logistics and industrial development, Lake Spen Industrial Park in St. Catherine on Tuesday, December 9. The Lake Spen Industrial Park spans 55.4 acres with 46.4 acres available for sale across 34 serviced lots ranging from 1 to 3 acres each. The development targets significant market demand with an appetite for over 1 million square feet of logistics and warehouse space. As part of the project, the developers will install an underground electrical distribution system to improve reliability and aesthetics, along with a 70,000-gallon reserve water tank to support business continuity for buyers. For the trading period ending December 10, 2025, these were the most actively traded stocks. Trans-Jamaican Highway with 2,547,072 units, representing 33.15% of market sales volume. JMMB Group Limited, 9.5% shares with 1,641,077 units, representing 21.36% of market sales volume. Epley Caribbean Property Fund Limited, SCC, with 704,700 units, representing 9.17% of market sales volume. We now shift our focus to the Forex market rate set by the Bank of Jamaica. On December 11, 2025, the Bank of Jamaica reported US $54.92 million purchased and US $60.21 million sold by Forex traders. Forex traders earned $1.90 per dollar, selling the US at $161.12 and buying the US at $159.22. The Canadian dollar netted Forex traders $1 in profit per transaction, with selling at $115.97 and buying at $114.97. The British pound yielded Forex traders $2.53 in profits, with selling at $212.34 and buying at $214.87. For our credit report tip of the day, the end of the year has a way of stirring up every emotion at once. Joy, pressure, nostalgia, and the quiet hope that next year will feel different. In the middle of the shopping, family gatherings, and last-minute plans, it's easy to put your own financial stability on the back burner. But this season can also be the moment you decide you're done carrying the same credit stress into another year. With a few bold, practical steps woven into your holiday routine, you can protect your peace, strengthen your credit, and give yourself a powerful, fresh start long before January arrives. In our funded and focused feature, a strong incubator or accelerator program delivers return on investment you can see and check off as you go. So instead of moving through guesswork, Founders jump into action and start stacking wins. Business officially set up. Finances organized and bank ready. Clear records for grants, loans, and investors. Funding opportunities identified and matched to your goals. And a pitch that's polished and ready to send. And a visibility and growth plan you can actually follow. It's progress you can track, momentum you can feel, and a business that finally moves from thinking about it to building with purpose. Each step completed becomes part of the real return. More clarity, more confidence, and more opportunities for long-term success. And that wraps up today's business report. I'm Denise Williams, reminding you that every financial decision is a step toward your future. Until next time, stay focused, stay informed, and keep striving for success. See you soon.